Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Crazy Crime Chick, and we're going to be going over the Tristyn Bailey case again. We're actually going to be looking at Aiden Fucci's first court appearance. Now, the main people that were there for this court appearance, of course, is going to be the judge, Michael Orfinger, and he is the one who did most of the talking. We have 14-year-old defendant Aiden Fucci. His mother and father were also there, Crystal Smith and Jason Fucci. State's attorney Jennifer Dutton, and then we have Aiden's lawyer Andy Snobber. He did join the Zoom call a little late because he was having trouble accessing it, and honestly, if you've ever dealt with Zoom, you totally understand that. And as you can see on the screen, this court appearance did happen per Zoom call. This was Tuesday, May 11th. It was the first court appearance for Aiden Fucci. And Aiden stands accused of killing Tristyn Bailey, who was 13 years old. As of right now, he is being charged with second-degree murder. Now, Aiden was reminded of his constitutional rights from the judge. The judge did also say that he is being charged with second-degree murder, and he went on to explain that murder committed with a depraved mind, but without premeditation. That's murder in the second degree. He also did say, but it is a first-degree felony. Now, the judge did ask Mr. Snobber, who is Aiden's lawyer, again, if he read the arrest report or had any additional comments regarding the probable cause, and Mr. Snobber said no, he did not. Judge Orfinger then proceeds to say that he did find there is probable cause to believe the offense did occur, and while the state attorney's office decides whether to charge Aiden as an adult, he will remain in the Department of Juvenile Justice custody for 21 days. Now I'm going to go ahead and play that actual court appearance for you guys. And if you enjoy this type of content, or if you like true crime, I hope you do consider hitting that subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.
All right, thank you very much. Good morning, Mr. Fucci. I'm Judge Orfinger. Do you see a parent or your guardian on the screen?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Aiden,
Oh, there she is. I see her.
I just have you on mute.
Okay. Which one is your parent or guardian, sir?
Judge, it's listed as iPhone.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
And Pixel, so that must be both of them. They're not named. We have iPhone, it's a woman with long dark hair, and Pixel 3XL.
All right. Ma'am, what is your name?
Crystal Smith.
With a C or a K?
C.
Thank you. And sir, what is your name?
Jason Fucci?
And are you his parents?
Yes.
All right. Madam Clerk, would you call his case, please?
In the interest of Aiden Fucci, 2021, 30287 CJCI, can I have the parties raise their right hand, please? All three of you, if you could raise your right hand, please. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're going to give in this cause is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Can you answer out loud, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Fucci, as I said, my name is Judge Orfinger. I'm going to conduct your detention hearing this morning, which is sometimes known as a first appearance. The purpose of your detention hearing is to determine whether there is probable cause for me to believe that an act of delinquency occurred and that you are the person who committed it. If I find that there is probable cause, we will then discuss the terms which the law allows you to be either released or detained. There's some things that you need to be aware of. First off, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do say in this proceeding can be used against you. This proceeding is being recorded, and the assistant state attorney is here, and she will be taking careful note of anything you say. Secondly, you have the right to be represented by an attorney. And if you or your family can't afford an attorney, I will appoint one to represent you. Now, let me just ask your parents briefly, do you have private counsel here today to represent him?
Yes, we, well, his attorney should be there, Andy. Anwar Snober,
What's his name?
Anwar Snober, Andy Snober.
Okay, I do not see
Mike, call him.
him on the Zoom call.
1 second.
Well, we just had someone enter the Zoom call. Let me see if this is him.
Okay.
What did you say the name was?
Andy Snober. Huh? Anwar Snober, it should.
That is not who I just admitted to.
Can we call him?
If you can get
Yeah.
him
1 second.
reasonably quickly, otherwise I'll appoint the public defender for this morning.
Mike, he's gonna have to answer.
He's having a computer issue glitch.
He's having a computer issue glitch and he's trying to log on.
Well, while he is attempting to log on, as I said, to Aiden,
Mike, he's gonna.
he has the right to counsel at every stage of the proceedings. If you can't afford counsel, I can appoint counsel. I see that Mr. Snober is now joining the call. Mr. Snober, would you please turn your camera on? Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. We've already begun your client's detention hearing. I have informed him of his right to remain silent and his right to counsel. His parents advise that you are representing him. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. And your name for the record, sir?
Andy Snober, S-N-O-B-E-R.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Fucci, you're charged with second-degree murder, murder committed with a depraved mind but without premeditation. That is murder in the second degree, although it is a first-degree felony. I have reviewed the arrest report. Mr. Snober, do you have any comments on probable cause?
No, sir.
Okay. I do find that there is probable cause to believe that the offense occurred. And at this time, I'm going to order that Mr. Fucci be detained by the Department of Juvenile Justice in secure detention for 21 days or until further order of the court. The 21-day period will end on May 31st, 2009 p.m. Ms. Paula, I take it the state will have made its filing decision by that time.
Your Honor, if I may, Jennifer Dutton for the State Attorney's Office. Yes, Your Honor. That decision will be made in that time frame.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Ms. Dunton.
That's okay. That's okay.
handling this. All right, do you have any other comment, Ms. Dunton?
No, no, at this time, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Snober?
No, sir, not at this time.
All right. Mr. Fucci, Ms. Smith, as his parents, you are responsible for payment of $5 a day to the Department of Juvenile Justice during his period of detention. If he requires medical care, the department is authorized to consent to it, although you remain liable for the payment for that treatment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. And that concludes this detention hearing. We'll move on to our next case. Thank you very much.
That's all I have. If I could be excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you.
sir.